You guys will not believe how many times I tried to record this intro. Mommy. See me use it with a toddler. Ugh. My last video I had announced that I was going to be hosting a giveaway. I make tons of t-shirts for my son. But here we are. We are going to do this thing. You are watching DIY by Niky Foster. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Niky Foster, and on this channel I post budget-friendly and inspiring ideas. In my last video, I had announced that I was going to be doing a giveaway, and the giveaway is the Cricut. It is the Cricut Maker 3. I figured what better way to announce the giveaway winner than with the video on how to use the Cricut Maker 3. This is going to be like a quick and easy, super simple, like very surface level on what the Cricut can do if you're trying to design like a t-shirt or sweatshirt or anything like that. I know so many people start businesses using the Cricut and they make tons of money doing this. So I wanted to just show you guys a quick and easy way you can do something to customize some shirts. If you are new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. You also can hit the notification bell so you're notified anytime I post a new video. So with the Cricut, you guys see me use it with my toddler bedroom makeover where I did like a DIY removable wall decal. So you also see me use it with my bathroom. I did a bathroom under the cabinet makeover using like containers and using the Cricut to put like customized labels on everything. So that one was really cool. Check that video out because it's really fun. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so I'm gonna start with a new project. Right here in the corner. Okay, so I'm in a new project, and in this time I'm actually going to start with a template. I'm going to look and see if there's like hoodie. Yep, so there's hoodie. And then I'm actually just going to do, okay, that's cool. I'm actually just going to do some simple words. This is something that kind of resonated with me recently. The word fearless. So like fearless and then also fearless, you know, play on words. So I'm just gonna do that. And I like using the Cricut Sans font that already comes with it. So I'm just gonna do Cricut Sans. And then I'll just be moving the words to like the center of the hoodie just to see how it looks. And I like that. I like it a little smaller. So that's pretty good. I'm gonna keep it just like that. Okay, hey big boy.
Hey, Mommy. All right.
And then I'm just gonna press make it.
You're making a shirt?
Mm-hmm, the hoodie.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna be using Cricut Smart Materials, so I'm not gonna use the matte. I'm just gonna use Cricut Smart Materials only. So I'll just click this, press done, and then okay, and then for this part, I have to actually mirror it so that it goes on backwards. And then we'll press continue. So my Cricut is already on. And then I just choose the Smart Iron-On material. So then I load the Smart Materials in the Cricut Maker and I make sure the shiny side is face down. So when I'm loading it in, the shiny side is face down and the matte side is face up. Then the machine just measures the material and then begins cutting it once I press the button. Then the material is just being cut out. Once it's all done, I remove the material and then just cut out the part that I need. And now I just remove the negative space. And this is what it looks like once the negative space was removed. And now I'm just gonna be setting up my Cricut Easy Press. So I press the on button and then the machine will warm up until it gets to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it gets to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, you will hear this sound. Okay, when you hear that noise, that's when you know it's ready. So, switch guns. So now I'm gonna lay out the sweatshirt to make sure that it's nice and flat. And then also take the Easy Press and just use it to go around the surface just a little bit, just to smooth it out. Okay. Then what I'm gonna do is, so this is why we needed to do it backwards, because see how when you face it down, this is the top part, so this is how it'll look and peel onto the surface. I'm just gonna do it like that, and then the parchment paper goes over top. Goes right on. And then you press the button and it has a 30-second countdown. It's good to pressure on it. Okay, and then it'll beep when it's done. All right, so we gotta let it cool for a few seconds. And then it should be able to peel off very easily. Look at that. Now what I like to do is I like to just put it back on one more time without the plastic. Just to make sure. Usually you have to, so at least for like 15 more seconds, but I just use the presser again and just go back over it. And we're done. That's it. So I made another sweatshirt the same exact way, but I'm just showing you how I'm cutting out and peeling off the negative space of the iron-on. And then just like before, I'm just placing the iron-on down. And I'm just totally eyeing this. I did not like measure at all. I just like did a quick, this kind of looks good eye measurement. And then I just grabbed the parchment paper and placed it down, grabbing the easy press and setting it on top, and then making sure that I'm leaving it on for 30 seconds with pressure. So that's why you see me holding it down a little bit, like just to give it extra pressure. And then once I remove the clear film from the iron-on letters, I then just apply the easy press again one more time. And this is how the first sweatshirt came out looking, the Fearless. I thought this was like a pretty neat, like minimal outfit. Pretty simple. I actually got this whole sweatsuit from Target, and then the sneakers, remember in my last video I did a DIY custom sneaker video, so those are customized sneakers by me, which I was super proud of. And here's the DIY Academy sweatshirt. I wanted to just show you guys a simple way to customize your sweatshirts or clothes by just adding a few words instead of using a more detailed design, and I hope you guys liked it. So now it is giveaway time. Let's see who the winner is. I'm going to be using a YouTube random comment picker. So it is literally commentpicker.com. And here we go. I'm just putting the URL for the video in, and then, okay. All right, and it's scrolling to see which person is going to be the winner. And here the winner is Jennifer Green. Girl, you won. Okay, so her comment was really fun. It says, girl, is there anything you can't do? You're such an inspiration, and your videos got me into all things DIY. Kitchen and bathroom renovations currently underway using many of the same products. However, I can never find the Bear White Pepper paint in stock. LOL, happy Thanksgiving. Subscribe to enter and giveaway with fingers crossed emoji. So girl, you won the giveaway. So what I want you to do is just hit me up on Instagram so I can get your contact details, and then I'm gonna have Cricut send you the machine. So this is gonna be so fun, and I can't wait to see what you make with it. So congratulations, Jennifer. Okay, so that is it for this video. I'm so excited about this. I really do like doing giveaways. So if you guys are into giveaways and you want me to do more of these, subscribe to my channel because you know, I like doing giveaways. So guys, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it. I hope you guys learned something. I know it was like really quick and easy, but if you do want me to go into more Cricut tutorials, I can totally do that. I have a few other ones in mind, but I just want to make sure you guys are liking these kind of videos before I film and record them. Also, film and record them. I mean, that's kind of the same thing, right? So thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and then make sure you hit the notification bell so you're notified anytime I post a new video. I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Peace.
Mommy.
That's me. I'm mommy. Go ahead and subscribe. Well, got my notes.
Mommy.
Hey, man. Yeah, I think that's it. Can I finish recording?
Mommy.
Mommy. Mommy.
Daddy.
Daddy. Zuzu.
Everybody in the video, give Mommy 1 billion and 1,000 subscribers. See you later, alligators.